Hello, students. I hope you all are doing great. We've just wrapped up our discussions on the cellular basis of physiology, and now it's time to explore the fascinating world of neurophysiology. Our topic for today is the autonomic nervous system, commonly known as the ANS. This system is crucial as it controls and regulates the functions of our smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and glands, all operating without our conscious effort. The ANS is distinct from the somatic nervous system, which innervates skeletal muscles and is under voluntary control. Understanding this difference is key to grasping how our body manages its various functions autonomously. The ANS has three main divisions: the sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric divisions. Let's delve into how these divisions are organized and their specific roles. The ANS is structured with synapses occurring in the autonomic ganglia. For the parasympathetic division, these ganglia are located in or near the effector organs. In contrast, the sympathetic ganglia are found in the paravertebral chain. Preganglionic neurons, which originate in the central nervous system, are integral to the functioning of the ANS. In the sympathetic nervous system, these neurons come from spinal cord segments T1 to L3, also known as the thoracolumbar region. For the parasympathetic nervous system, they originate in the nuclei of cranial nerves and spinal cord segments S2 to S4, the craniosacral region. Postganglionic neurons are the next step in this pathway. They have their cell bodies in the autonomic ganglia and synapse directly on the effector organs such as the heart, blood vessels, and sweat glands. An interesting component of the sympathetic nervous system is the adrenal medulla, a specialized ganglion where preganglionic fibers synapse directly on chromaffin cells. These cells then secrete epinephrine and norepinephrine into the circulation. Now let's talk about the neurotransmitters of the ANS. Adrenergic neurons release norepinephrine, while cholinergic neurons release acetylcholine. There are also non-adrenergic, non-cholinergic neurons, particularly in the gastrointestinal tract, which release substances like substance P, vasoactive intestinal peptide, and nitric oxide. That wraps up our introduction to the autonomic nervous system. In our next session, we'll dive deeper into the functions and interactions of these divisions. Make sure to review today's material and come prepared with any questions. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.